We all have freedom of expression, but there are limits to it. Let's find out the intricacies of this right from the story of a student who expressed her grievances.
Good afternoon, everyone. If this afternoon is even good, sir, because I don't know what is happening in the school. Because I am so bittered. I am so angry. Why this school behaving like as if we don't pay our bills? Like as if we don't pay our school fees. There is no water. There is no lights. You go to classroom now. There is no chair to even sit down. Look at me now. I've not even had my bath. I've not had my bath though. Now they are even increasing school fees. Hey, it's like they want us to just die here because I'm tired. It's enough. ESUT, please fix this now.
And Amarachi went further to post the video, and it caught the attention of so many people, including the school management, and she was summoned by the school management.
So you're Amarachi, right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so you saw your video, and then quite frankly, that is defamation and incitement against the school authorities. So you're going to proceed on an indefinite suspension.
But sir, I thought I was entitled to freedom of expression.
You have freedom, but freedom has limits, and then you cross the limits. Proceed on suspension, ma'am. Thank you.
Confused as to what next to do, Amarachi decides to call her roommate, who is a law student, for help.
How did I just get suspended now? Amarachi, think, oh, think. Okay, my roommate, she's a law student. Where's her number? Oh, God. Nancy, pick up. Hello, Nancy. Nancy, I'm in trouble. I don't know, I just got suspended. You know that video that I made the other time now that went viral? I don't know, they called me to their admin office and they suspended me definitely. Okay, Law Clinic, wait. The left side of the faculty, okay. Hope somebody's going to be there. Okay. I'm coming there now. Thank you so much.
Good morning, and what's your name?
Good morning, my name is Amarachi.
And how can we help you?
I've just been suspended indefinitely by the admin office about the video that I made that went viral. I don't know what to do, and I hope I'm in the right place.
Of course you're in the right place.
Wait, you are Amarachi, right? On
Yes,
social media.
I am.
I actually came across this viral video on social media, and when I watched it, I saw that you were only constructively criticizing the school management and school authority. I am wondering why they have decided to suspend you indefinitely. I mean, it's not like what you said was a lie. You did not defame anybody. Neither did you incite any students. You're basically saying the truth. And we don't have lights, we don't have water. Why did they do that?
Amara, we are here for you. We need a law clinic administration that you're adequately represented in the school. We're going to write a petition over to them and have them review your suspension. Your right to fair hearing and your right to freedom of expression is guaranteed under Section 39 of the Constitution, and we're going to write a petition to the school to have them reviewed. Okay?
Don't worry, we are going to get that.
Don't worry. Thank you. We'll be fine.
Osy-Nnamani, we are happy to have you back. And we've actually petitioned the school management. We submitted a petition to them, and we are going to be having a meeting with them in 2 hours time. So, and we're hoping to get a positive feedback from them. So this is basically just to, give you an insight, or rather educate you on what your rights are. On the freedom of expression, of course you know that you have the right to say whatever you want to say. But this is your right in accordance to Section 39 of the Constitution, right? But it doesn't mean you should go around insulting anybody or saying things recklessly.
Or saying things that are not true.
Right. Which means that there are limits to this freedom, actually. So in the subsections of this particular section, let's say you can actually, have a medium, like this is your TikTok page now. You have the right to, open a TikTok account and, make content and make videos or say whatever you want to say. But in the Constitution, you cannot establish maybe a radio channel without the approval of the government. That's one limitation. Then another limitation is it contains contained in section 45 of the Constitution, and this is about, you cannot say things when it's against the public morality, the public policy, or probably to, underestimate the power of the courts and so on and so forth.
Yes.
So circumstances like this, you cannot actually, your freedom of expression is kind of curtailed. You get. Remember that the general rule is that you can say whatever you want to say, but then again, you are limited.
Just like in that radio sense, you get the fact that radios, people go there and then they say anything that they like. But then you cannot open a radio station without approval from the government. Does that make any sense to you?
Yes.
The school is holding you because, or rather, they want to see you because they feel like you defame them. Now, I don't even understand what it means for you to defame somebody or for that word defamation to apply in your case. Now, defamation is when you say something or write something that is false, that's not true about somebody, which makes the right thinking members of society look at that person like, tarnishing their reputation in their eye. Now, in this case, what you said is false. Sorry, it's very true, Judith. So the school cannot really hold you for that. So I want you to bank on that first.
There's also two types of defamations. That is engaging people and library, that is engaging everything.
So now, we don't want you to panic based on the suspension that the school has already given you. Meeting the panel in 2 hours, as already said. So we're going to ask them, or rather plead with them to review that decision on suspension, okay? I hope you've not had sleepless nights because of this, or you're supposed to know. I don't want you to be scared. And you're going to be there with us while facing the panel, okay? So I want you to prepare your mind for that, so don't worry about anything.
And also the issue of incitement. Did you incite anybody? What you said in the video, did it make anybody to do any violent action, or maybe it didn't, right? So we honestly don't think the school management had any justifiable ground to have accused you of the things they accused you of, defaming the image of the school and inciting your fellow students. All these things never happened. So we are really, really positive that we are going to get a positive resolution from the school management. Hopefully. That being said, see you in 2 hours time, and please make sure you come prepared and don't be scared of anybody. We are here for you. Right?
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And I'm sure that once we meet the panel, I'll be vindicated from this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It says here you made a video defaming the school. The video in which you complained about the scarcity of water and not having light in your hostel. We defamed our school and incited students into believing that we lack the capacity to manage the affairs of the students. What do you have to say? Yes, what do you have to say about that?
Sir, please may I allow those that defend for me speak for me?
You cannot speak for
Please,
yourself.
I can speak for myself, but I would request that those that have come before us today to speak for me, which are the law commission and law faculty.
Law faculty of this institution?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Panel, we are really grateful that you honored our invitation, or rather, responded to our petition. My name is Anioke, and I'm here with my fellow learning colleague. We are the clinicians of the law faculty of this prestigious institution. And we are here in respect of our schoolmates by name, Amarachi. Panel, I would like to start off by saying that usually when things like this happen or when things like this occur, it is very, very pertinent that you hear from both sides. Suspending Amarachi indefinitely without getting to hear her own side of the story or giving her the opportunity to defend herself is a breach of her right to fair hearing, which is protected by Section 36 of the Constitution. And given the content of the video, she merely expressed her freedom of expression, which is protected by Section 39 of the Constitution. And the content of the video, she never used any defamatory word. So we believe that she never defamed the image of the school. And in the same way, she did not incite any student. We have to appeal to the panel to please review their decisions and come up with a positive resolution. Thank you, panel.
Yes, sir.
So what was the intention of making this video? What do you have in mind to achieve?
I wanted school authorities to understand that we are coming from different backgrounds and not most of us can actually cope with this kind of situation. Please, this was not act of maybe I was trying to fail school or anything.
Amarachi, why did you go through the right line? Like in student government or hostel government?
I did. I met hostel governor, hostel management, even the students union. But it seems like you don't want to put my interests at heart. How will someone sponsor me? For what?
You just want them to print our institution back.
As I said earlier, I did not. I only wanted to channel the school authorities that we needed. So I don't know whether you understand what is actually happening. I only wanted them to realize that we actually suffering in the school. How can there not be light for 2 weeks, no water, even in the classrooms? There are not even comfortable chairs to sit down. What do you expect us to do? And we're paying our bills. On top of it, they increased our school fees. Please, we are human beings also.
Amarachi, I've had enough of this. You can have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what do you want us to do?
So panel, please, we just like you to review your decision and revoke her suspension, saying that all she wanted to do was express herself and nothing more than that. Thank you.
Amarachi, stand up. See, after one deliberations with my colleagues and panel, we have decided to review your suspension and carry out further investigations in this matter.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
After further investigation, Amarachi was vindicated, her right to freedom of expression was upheld, and the decision of the school authorities were reversed. People's right to freedom of expression have often been violated in our Nigerian society, from Raya to Senator Natasha to the common man in Nigeria. The NULAI Street Law project is an avenue to enlighten people about these rights, and as ESUT Law clinicians, we will fight the violations of freedom of expression by advocating and helping victims seek redress. You can reach out to us and be sure to get justice. Thank you.